In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split view in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with large spreadsheets, you know how frustrating it can be to lose track of your headers or key data as you scroll. Splitting your view, often referred to as freezing panes, can be immensely helpful. So, let's walk through exactly how you can achieve this. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets. Once you're there, open the spreadsheet that you are working on or start a new one if you need to practice. Now, you're probably wondering about the tools to get started with freezing your panes. That's where the menu comes into play. Direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the View option in the top menu. This is your main access point for adjusting your view settings. Once you've clicked on View, you'll want to hover over the option that says Freeze. This isn't just a fun term. It's actually what you'll use to keep certain rows or columns visible, no matter how much you scroll. When you hover over Freeze, you'll see several choices pop up. Understanding these options is key. For instance, selecting No Rows, No Columns is useful if you've accidentally frozen some data and want everything to scroll freely again. However, if you're aiming to keep certain rows, like your headers, always in view, you'll choose options like 1 row, 2 rows, or up to current row. The same goes for columns, with options like 1 column, 2 columns, or up to current column to freeze your most essential data on the left-hand side of your sheet. Now, here's a handy tip. You can freeze both rows and columns simultaneously. This can be particularly useful in more expansive spreadsheets where you need both a particular row and column constantly in view. The beauty of these frozen panes is that they always stay on screen even as you scroll through your sheet. This makes navigating and understanding your data so much easier, especially when dealing with larger, more complex spreadsheets. The primary reason for using this feature is all about maintaining focus and access to the most crucial parts of your data. When you freeze panes, you're assuring that important headers or frequently referenced data remain within your sightline, eliminating the hassle of having to constantly scroll back and forth. This setup is not just convenient but also enables a smoother data workflow. Remember, split views ready, see more, scroll less, and that's the power of freezing views in Google Sheets. I hope this guide has clarified how you can efficiently split views in Google Sheets, so go ahead, try it out, and experience improved productivity in navigating your spreadsheets. Thank you for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.